Hey folks, what we got here is a Kia Sportage, and it needs a low beam, which is on the passenger side. All right, I'm going to replace it with a Extra Vision sold at AutoZone. All right, now in order to get to this light here, it's right here. You're going to turn this little cap off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, so we're going to take this, grab that, turn it. It'll pop right out. Put it off to the side, and the headlight is in there. Let me see if I can show it to you from here. There she is. All right, same thing. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, and it should give you enough wire to come out. Let me see if I can set you up with a tripod here. All right, let's see if we can do that here. Lefty loosey. Stuck there. All right, so here it is right here. Okay, a little clip here. You raise this clip up, and this piece comes right out just like that. The new one will go right back in. Don't touch the glass part of it. All right, gonna snap this right in there. I'm gonna stick this right back in there, and righty tight. Go in there. I have to do it on an angle. You know what's bothering me? This freaking pole here is bothering me. That's it. You can hear it click in. That's when you know it's in. All right. I'm gonna go turn it on. There you go. It's on, and we're good to go. All right. Now I just got to put the little cap back on. Righty tighty. There's no particular way that it goes. It'll just fall into the whatever slot that it has to go into. Let's see here. There it is. And just turn it. There you go. Good to go. And we're done. Pretty fast. Driver's side is the same way. All right. There's the cap right there. It'll come right off. All right. That's for the low beam. Thanks for watching.